Yeah, it was lovely talking to you. I had a great chat, even though it was just for 15 minutes, but yes, I enjoyed it. Yeah. Yes, hi Anand. Am I audible to you?
Yeah, you are.
Thank
Hi.
God we were having so much trouble yesterday. Finally, we've connected. Okay. I am
Yeah.
audible and visible both?
Yeah, I can see you. I can hear you.
Great, great. Okay, so Anand, how are you today?
Yes, I'm good. I'm doing good.
Doing well? That's good, that's
Thank you.
good.
How are you?
I am good too. I'm good too. Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Bihar.
Oh, you're from Bihar. Great, great, great. Okay. I wanted to ask after the demo, what number of session is this?
I don't remember, but I think it will be
Okay.
my 34th session.
34th. Okay. So, how are your sessions going?
Yeah, it is good. It is going good.
Going well? Okay, that's very
Yeah,
nice. And what do you do, by the way?
I'm teacher. I teach students.
You're a teacher. Okay. What all things do you teach?
I teach so many subjects like mathematics, physics,
Oh my
chemistry, as
God.
well as English.
Okay. Maths,
Hmm.
physics have been very bad in my entire school life. I've been so bad in maths and physics. Oh my God. And you teach maths and physics. Okay.
Right.
What standards do you teach?
They are from class 6 to 12th.
6 to 12. Okay. All
Yeah.
right. Okay. For me, physics just changed after 10th. When the moment I entered 11th, it was like a disaster for me. It was like, what is this? I'm feeling so embarrassed telling you this because you teach maths and physics. I left
Mm.
maths in 10th. Sorry, in 11th. Till 10th, we
Mm.
had to study. In 11th, I left maths, and physics was so bad for me. Oh my God.
So, so you studied bio.
Yes, I loved biology. Oh my God, it was my favorite. I
Most
loved
of
it.
the girls love biology. So, what is reason behind it?
Give your time. Yes, I don't know why, but for me, it was very interesting. I've always been very interested in human body and everything, so I loved biology. You've
So
never
only
liked biology?
no. I mean, I never studied it well. I mean, yeah, I studied in class 9th or 10th just for marks,
Yeah, of
getting
course.
yeah.
Yes.
But in 11th, 12th, I kept mathematics, and later
Okay.
did my honors with chemistry. Right now, I'm pursuing my MSc with chemistry.
Oh wow. Okay. Chemistry is quite interesting. I loved organic chemistry. Are you like? Do you like organic or inorganic? Which one?
I think I was good with organic because doing reaction, writing the
Yes. Yeah.
equations. That was interesting thing.
It was very interesting. Yeah.
Like Wolff reaction, Wallman reaction. I still remember, reactions are so it
Yeah.
complex. It looks complex, but once you
Very
will know the
true.
mechanism, it is very easy.
This is where, the tricky part was when I went into 11th, it was very tricky for me. I was like, oh my God, I will never be able to learn this. But in 12th, I started writing all the reactions, everything. So, then it became like a quick thing. I've forgotten now. I don't remember. But back then, when I was in 12th, it was a fun thing. So, yes, you're right. After you've known the it becomes quite good. So, that's
Yeah.
nice. Okay. You remember the animal kingdom in ninth in biology? Are you from? Did
Yeah,
you
I
study from CBSE board?
no, I'm Bihar Board student, Hindi
Okay, right.
medium student.
Mm-hmm. Because
Yeah.
I am not sure if
So
there is Animal Kingdom in other boards, but yeah, for us in CBSE there was.
no, there is like flora, fauna. They are the
Yeah.
part of. Okay, I remember a
Yes.
little bit.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
you're right. You're right.
but
That
not
was the
much.
most
Yeah.
difficult one. Okay, that's nice. All
The
right. So
name are so complex. Yeah, names are so complex
exactly.
of animal kingdom that just very few I remember that, like flora, fauna, and
Uh-huh.
you can tell me more than
In
I may
Animal
remember.
Kingdom, there was mollusk, arthropod, if you remember, Monera, Protista, fungi,
Ah, protesta,
and
fungi. Yeah,
yes, we had to make an entire table. You know, what was their body structure, what was the layers, where they lived. So yeah, I made an entire table on Animal Kingdom. So I knew. It was interesting.
so,
That's,
what are you doing right now? I mean, in your studies?
yes. Have you heard of physiotherapy?
Yes.
I am doing my bachelor's in physiotherapy.
Okay.
Yeah. I've given my finals like 2 weeks back. I'm just waiting for the
Mhm.
results. Let's hope it's good. I don't know. Yeah, okay. So let me ask you, do you watch any English movies or web series? Are you in a habit of watching such things?
No, I don't watch movies,
Okay.
but I listen English speech podcast.
Okay. Very nice. Okay. So is it like a regular thing for you?
Yeah, regular every day. At least I, listen for 2 3 hours every day. And
Two,
listening
three
is
hours.
one of
Very
my
nice.
favorite, favorite, habit. Because whatever I'm doing, if I think yes, if I can listen, then I will keep listening. Okay.
Mhm. And by listening also, you process a lot of things so
Mhm.
that you can actually use them within your speech. So that's a good habit to have. Very nice. Okay. So after the podcast that you listen to, is it something that after listening to the podcast you have to do something so that you have this thing, you have listened to it properly? Are there any exercise that you do after listening to it?
Yes, sometimes what I do while
Okay.
I'm listening the podcast or speeches, and
Yeah.
if I find new words, then I write it
Right.
down in my copy,
Right.
and after finishing the video, I just consult my dictionary, or I used to Google it, and I want to know the meaning of it. And I
Yes.
think this way had helped me a lot to improve my English because it is quite practical. The moment I
Mm-hmm.
find the scarcity of word, and when I saw the new word, the same moment I contact my dictionary that what is the meaning of it, and it because of it it becomes long lasting in my memory.
Exactly. It becomes stronger. Very nice. That's a very nice habit, I think. One advice that I would like to add to this, what you do is quite good, referring to the words and meanings on the spot. To make it more efficient or make it a little more stronger, right? What you can do is try to frame a sentence with the same word. You
Okay.
know,
Yes.
that way you will be able to make use of the word within your own sentence. So that
Yes.
will make it stronger.
Mhm. No, I try
Okay.
to keep that context of that word in my mind. I want to keep the context, and
Yes.
sometimes yes, I also use in my sentence at the same moment that word
Yes.
according to my own process.
Mm-hmm. That's good because I've seen a lot of people who do this activity. They refer to the word and then the meaning. That's it. They'll close it and keep it aside. But unless and until you have
Mhm.
learned how to frame a sentence on your own, the word doesn't get fixed. Okay? So, in my opinion, I think it will be beneficial if you try to make a sentence also at the same point.
Right.
It will double sure your chances that you've understood that word and you will never forget it. But I think
Mhm.
you're pretty smart, so you'll do it on your own. But you said you've done your schooling from Hindi medium, right?
Mhm.
The way
Yes,
you
I
talk, it
have.
doesn't look that way. It doesn't look that way.
No, I think if you will watch my 1 year ago video, just I think 6 7 months before
Videos
videos,
of
yeah, videos of mine, if you'll watch, then
on YouTube. Are you a YouTuber?
yeah, yes, I'm
Oh,
a YouTuber.
okay.
Mhm.
All right.
So if you'll watch my 6 month ago videos, then you
Okay.
will not understand me what I'm speaking. So just it is the my hard work, and I have been
What?
continuously working for English, and because of it, I have improved. So yes, maybe that now it is not looking like that I'm belonging from
What
Hindi
is
medium
what?
school.
Yeah.
Yeah, but reality is that I'm a Hindi medium student.
Then I would say I can totally imagine the hard work you must have put in to become such a fluent speaker. and I think you've done a great job. Because for me, it's easy. We have been brought up in an environment and we have been in touch with the language since the very beginning, since our childhood. So that is why, it's obvious that we know the language. But for you, just 6 months back, you are saying you were not that good, but now you're this fluent, then hats off to you. That's a great job you've done. That shows how passionate you are towards learning. Very nice, Anand.
Thank you.
Okay, that's good. You teach your students also the same way. What all things you have done, so the same way you are teaching them as well.
Yeah, of course. And
Okay,
I work on them according to their level, because I
nice.
know the things that is working for me, it may not
Mm-hmm.
work for them, because I just
Oh,
see their level, and according to their level, I work on them. And I think,
yeah.
yes, I made so many students
Mm-hmm.
improved just within short span of time, because of my experience that I have learned from my own journey.
Very lucky to have you as a teacher, I'm sure. Please,
Thank you.
I wish I could have had a teacher like you when I was learning maths or physics. I think I would have been better, but unfortunately, you were there. But still, very happy for the students you're teaching. You're doing a great job, right? So, would you consider yourself as a strict teacher or a lenient teacher? Which one are you?
Sorry, what teacher?
Lenient teacher or a strict teacher?
I'm not a strict.
Okay, you are not strict. Okay, so you're very
Yeah.
lenient. I mean, you ignore the
Yeah.
mistakes the students are
Yeah,
making.
I always ignore mistakes. I know that
Very
this is
nice.
the way of learning.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
yeah, to sometime, keep the class, calm and peaceful, I have to do some sort of work. So I used to do it.
You
Yeah.
have to maintain that decorum of the class, right? So in that
Yes.
sense, you have to be strict. Okay.
Yeah.
All
Mhm.
right. So you must be teaching online these days.
Yes, nowadays I'm teaching online.
Okay. So which is easier, teaching offline or online?
I think right now it is looking like online is easier. Okay. But when I had started last year, when lockdown had started, it was very tough to teach online. But now it's look like, okay, it is better to teach online. I don't have to handle so many things.
That's very nice. Okay. You use some special, I don't know, whiteboard kind of thing that is available within your device or something that is
Yes,
there, right?
whiteboard. Yes.
Okay, right. Which application do you use?
I have my own English. Sorry, I have my own application, Class Plus. I had application from Class Plus. Okay, the
You
name of
have
my
your
own
own application.
yeah,
Okay.
I have my own application. The name of application is English English.
Oh my god, that is so nice. Okay.
Mhm. It
Yeah.
is on the name of my YouTube channel name. Okay, because the name of my YouTube channel is English English, and because of it,
And
I
let
kept the
me
link.
write it down. Okay. It's in English after that. Hello, Anand, am I audible?
Yes, yes. Now I can hear you.
Yeah. Can you please repeat the name of your channel? It's English.
English English.
That's a cool name. Okay. Nice. Okay. So there you've mentioned the app also.
No, I haven't mentioned my app yet, because I have not mentioned my channel is for English learners. Okay, but my
Right.
app is for a standard 6 to
The
12 students right
students.
now. But
Right,
in
right, right.
future, yes, in future I'm trying to do so many things there. Then definitely I'll mention my app also.
Of course, no, you will. You will. You are planning on doing great things. I would say all the best for your future endeavors. You'll do great. Right now, you're doing so many things. So I'm sure in future there are a lot of things to look forward to. Waiting very eagerly. Okay, that's nice. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Do you read?
Yes, I read.
You read novels because that's like my favorite hobby to read novels.
Nowadays, I have switched from reading a book to audio book. Okay, and I
Okay, you're going to the
yeah,
audience.
yeah, because I think
Hmm.
I'm good enough to in listening, and whatever I was picking out of
Of
book,
course,
I can pick up out of audio book, and the process is quite
audio
fast
is
from
better.
audio book. So I start
Oh, okay.
yeah listening things.
Mm-hmm.
But
All
yes,
right.
to
Do you have,
I used to read book.
yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Do you have a favorite genre that you like to follow?
No, I love to follow everything. I don't have any favorite genre because I love to know about everything.
Absolutely. Okay, that's very nice. I think having a particular genre only restricts you, so you don't go out of that thing. So it's good to explore all the other things as well. That's good. That's good. Anyway, Anand, your time is about to get over, so it will get auto cut. So any questions, any doubts from your side, please feel free to ask.
No, I don't have any question and any doubt. You should
Okay.
give me my feedback of
Oh,
my
I
diction.
think you speak pretty well, right? Uh, a little bit polishing, scope of polishing is everywhere, right? Even for you,
Mhm.
even for me, for everyone it's there.
Yes.
So I don't
Sure.
think you need anything in specific, but yeah, the way you're talking, if you'll keep on talking, then it'll be perfect, right?
Thank,
That's my feedback for you, but I'm quite happy with whatever you are doing.
thank you very much.
Yeah, it was lovely talking to you. I had a great chat, even though it was just for 15 minutes, but yes, I enjoyed it. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Same here.
Thank you. Okay, Anand, I hope